Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to increase render distance on Aternos server. So let's get started. Go to Aternos official website on your browser. Log in to your Aternos account and navigate to your server dashboard. Click on File section on the left side. Then click on Server Properties. Scroll down and find View Distance option. Adjust the slider or input box to increase the render distance to your desired level. Keep in mind that higher render distances may require more system resources. Click on Save to confirm your changes. Now start the server. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.